Today is a huge day for PlayStation gamers. Not only does the PS5 Pro pre-order window open today, but the entire PlayStation 30th Anniversary Collection will also be made available, and stock is expected to be extremely limited.
Now, before we jump into the video, please subscribe to our channel and feel free to check us out on eBay at GameXTC. You'll get valuable information on leveling up your video game hardware and software.
Hey guys, my name's D and welcome back to another video. Now, we normally do repair videos, but considering the news that Sony's going to drop a 30th anniversary PS5, we thought we would follow it. Now, before I begin and go into the specs, prices, etc. of the PS5, I thought it'd be worth sharing that I've actually been sitting in this queue for over 2 hours, and hopefully by the end of this video I'll be able to share whether or not I was able to get my hands on a pre-order. That doesn't necessarily guarantee me the console, but it's a pre-order. Now, pricing for the PS5 Pro 30th Anniversary Limited Edition bundle is going live alongside pre-orders via PlayStation Direct. As revealed by Sony, in the UK the bundle cost will be £959.99. In the Eurozone it will be €1,099.99, and in Australia it'll be $1,199. The US pricing and pre-orders go live later today. But the real question is it special enough for you to go out there and buy it? Although this special version of the PS5 console has throwback design elements and legacy color schemes that pays homage to the original PlayStation console, each limited edition PS5 Pro console is individually numbered as a collector's item, and only 12,300 of these numbered consoles will be available for customers to buy globally. So what does the console come with? It will come with a limited edition DualSense Edge wireless controller, a limited edition DualSense wireless controller, a limited edition DualSense charging station, a limited edition console cover for the disc drive, a limited edition vertical stand, the original PlayStation controller style cable connector housing, 4 PlayStation shaped cable ties, PlayStation sticker, limited edition PlayStation poster, and a PlayStation paperclip. Is that really worth over $1,000? I don't think so, personally. However, because of the limited edition tag, this console will sell out as soon as it goes live. Now, all this time, whilst I'm talking, I've been sitting in this queue, and I know it's a long shot. And as you can see, what's hot is not. Everything is sold out. The only thing I can get my hands on is the PlayStation Portal. But being an official retailer does have its perks, and maybe, just maybe, we may get a console to review on launch day. But to summarize, if you're a PlayStation fan, then yeah, you're gonna get it regardless, or at least try to. And if you're not, I get it. It's just not for you.